Just got your new Noise One wireless headphones? Let's get you all set up. Before we begin, make sure that your smartphone and Noise One are next to each other and the headphones are fully charged. Done? Let's start. Power on. Long press the power button for 3 seconds until the LED turns blue to turn the headphones on. Power off. Long press the power button for 3 seconds to turn the headphones off. Pairing. Long press the power button for 3 seconds to turn the headphones on. The LED will flash red and blue, indicating that the headphones are in pairing mode. Turn on the Bluetooth on your device and go to the Bluetooth menu. Now select Add Device, and from the list of devices, select Noise One to pair. Note: the LED will turn blue, indicating that the headphones are now paired and ready to use. Dual pairing. It's easy to pair 2 devices with Noise One headphones at the same time. Let's start. Connect Noise One with Device 1. Turn off the Bluetooth of Device 1. Now connect Noise One with Device 2. Turn on the Bluetooth of Device 1. Both devices are now connected with Noise One. Note: when Device 1 is playing music, Noise One can control the music of Device 1. In order to play music on Device 2, pause the music on Device 1 and play music on Device 2. Modes. Auxiliary mode. Connect the included 3.5mm auxiliary cable to the 3.5mm jack on your headphones. TF card mode. Insert the memory card into the SD card slot. Press the mode button. A voice prompt will indicate that the headphones have recognized the file and play the music. FM mode. Short press the mode button to switch to FM radio mode. Short press the power button to search and save the FM station. To go to the next FM channel, long press the plus button. To go back to a previous FM channel, long press the minus button. Music control. To play or pause, press the power button once. To go to the next song, press and hold the plus button for 1 second. To go back to the previous song, press and hold the minus button for 1 second. Volume control. To increase the volume, short press the plus button. To decrease the volume, short press the minus button. Call controls and voice assistant. To answer an incoming call, press the power button once. To end a call, press the power button once. To reject an incoming call, long press the power button for 2 seconds. Activating voice assistant. In order to activate the voice assistant on your Android or iPhone, long press the mode button for 2 seconds. For more updates, subscribe to our channel.